passing this phone sa laging may vertigo.
I'm passing this phone to the BPA.
Passing this phone to the one who wears wedge heels pero hindi naman tumangkad.
Passing this phone sa laging buyong pero energetic.
I'm passing this phone to my daddy's home. I'm passing this phone to... Masikip daw yung pants niya ngayon.
Anong masasabi niya sa flood control project?
Sir, pass the phone.
I'm passing this phone to the little giant.
O, Little Giant daw.
I'm passing this phone to the dean.
Madali pa ako kausap. If you're going to pass this phone, sir, kanina mo siya next ipapass, sir? Among the scholars, sir. You're going to choose one scholar, sir.
To the scholar,
Yes, sir.
I guess to the two ladies.
This active, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Sige na, ma'am.
I'm passing this phone to laging late and bulaw. Sino yun? I'm passing this phone to the person na masikip na yung pantalon niya ngayon.
I'm passing this to the naka-ADB. Naka-ADB.
I'm passing this phone sa pinakamaliit na DOST scholar sa batch namin.
Ma'am.
I'm passing this phone sa pangalawang pinakamaliit sa batch namin.
Pangalawa, ma'am.
I'm passing this phone to someone na magkaka-Chanel na today.
Sino?
Hindi ako.
Ikaw yun, babe.
I'm passing this phone sa Chinita Princess ng batch namin.
Watch out!
I'm passing this phone sa kasing tangkad niya si Michael Jordan.
Passing this phone to someone malaki ang chan.
I'm thinking I'm strong enough to sink